Welcome you all, Rajesh English class, and today we will discuss the difference between British and American English. In English, we have got two types of English. One is British English and other is American English. But we the people of India follow always British English. But there is some difference in different parts of British English and American English. Today we will discuss in detail. I have written this chart about the British English and American English. Though we are following British English, still there is some similarity and there is some differences between British and American English. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 differences between British and American English. First, in tense. There is a tense difference between British English and American English. In tense, present perfect. Britishers use present perfect tense, whereas Americans use past indefinite. For example, I have lost my keys. I lost my keys. The Britishers generally use the tense present perfect tense. I have lost my keys. But the Americans use generally past indefinite for the same sentence. I lost my keys. So there is a tense difference between British English and American English. Okay? Now, possession. In terms of possession, the Britishers use have got and the Americans use do you have. For example, in the possession, Britishers use the sentence have you got a car, whereas the Americans use do you have a car for the same sentence. Okay? Now verb. Verb third form got. Get, got for the Britishers. But the Americans use the same verb get third form gotten. I have got a car, whereas the Americans use I have gotten a car. This is the verb difference between British English and American English. Now, some vocabulary differences between British English and American English. In the vocabulary difference, the Britishers use bonnet, whereas it is used as hood for America. And rubber is the meaning, there is some difference meaning of the same word. The meaning of rubber in British is a tool used for erasing a pencil mark, whereas the same rubber, the meaning of the same rubber in America is a condom. Like in Britishers use the word petrol, whereas in America it is used as gasoline. And the meaning of mean, the word M-E-A-N, mean, means not generous in British, but the meaning of mean in America is angry or bad. This is the vocabulary difference between British English and American English. Okay? Now the preposition. Preposition generally use the Britishers at the weekend. In the American, on the weekend. And the Britishers use in a team. And the Americans use on a team. This is the preposition difference between Britishers and Americans. Now, once again we come to the point of tense, past simple or past participle. Go, went, gone, do, did, done. the past simple or past participle. The word we used burn, burnt, dream, dreamt. But in America, they burned, dreamed. By putting ed at last, they use past simple or past participle of a verb. This is the difference between British English and American English. Now, spelling. Spelling is the spelling of English difference between British English and American English. For example, or, O-U-R, or, whereas or. For example, C-O-L-O-U-R, it is used as British English, whereas C-O-L-O-R is used in American English. Similarly, R-E-C-O-G-N-I-S-E, recognize, A-N-A-L-Y-S-E, analyze. Whereas in America, R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-E, recognize, A-N-A-L-Y-Z-E, analyze. These two words used as British English and these two words used as American English. Recognize, N-I-S-C, here N-I-Z-E. Y-S-E, Y-Z-E. This is British English and this is American English. This is the spelling difference between British English and American English. Likewise, defense, D-E-F-E-N-C. Here, D-E-F-E-N-S-E. This is British English and this is American English. N-C, N-S-E. Like catalog, C-A-T-A-L-O-G-U-E, whereas C-A-T-A-L-O-G. This is British English and this is American English. This is the spelling difference between British English and American English. Now, the last, grammar. Punctuation mark outside the quotation. And here, punctuation mark inside the quotation. For example, we put punctuation mark here in British English, but in American English we put punctuation mark outside the quotation. So this is the difference of grammar between British English and American English. Though we are adopting British English, though we are following British English, still there is some differences between British English and American English. That's all about the difference between American English and British English. And before conclude my session, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Rajesh English Class, so that you can get many more items in coming days. Thank you.